Oops, one thing I forgot. Before I put the motherboard in the case, I want to put these mounting screws in. Just screw them into the holes. Well, this heatsink came with a lot of hardware, but thankfully these are labeled 17XX. Again, that's the socket I have, so just going to screw those in real quick. I'll probably just do one on camera. No clue if you guys can see. Yeah, that's all that is there. And let's see. Yeah, just gonna screw these in like this, and it will be ready then for the CPU block.